We are here in the Fairfax County warehouse. This is where we house all of our voting equipment in the off-season. It's also where we house all of the machines when we are testing them and programming them for every election. We are right now getting ready for the recount. What's going to happen when we get on Monday morning, the recount is going to bring together 40 different sets of machines, as well as we're going to have backups brought over to the courthouse. We're going to have folks set up and ready to go in two-man teams, one Democrat, one Republican election officer. They are going to physically recount every single precinct, and they will make the final decision at the end of the day to certify the election results and determine who won the Attorney General's race. Now, what's going to end up happening is we're going to find, while we're going through the process of running ballots through the machines, there are going to be some situations where ballots are going to have an overvote or an undervote, and those will get kicked out. An overvote is when an individual voted twice in the Attorney General's race. An undervote is when they didn't vote at all or the machine did not read the vote. In those situations, the election officers will have to hand count those ballots to make sure that they're accurately counted. In any situation where the two observers disagree, where the two election officers disagree, then those are set aside and they're taken to the recount court in Richmond, which will make the final decision on those challenged ballots. So the goal here today is to make sure that we get all the machines tested, we get them all ready to go. They're going to get packed up, they're going to be taken over to the courthouse and secured so that they'll be ready to go first thing Monday morning.